So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to avoid suspension and what to do if you get your account suspended on Redbubble. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel and you're looking to make money online, like some of the people in the community have already started to do, as you can probably see on the screen right now, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I do post a video. And with that said, today's video is actually a request from one of you guys. You wanted me to make a video talking about account suspension and what to do when you get in that particular situation. Just one last thing before we do get into this. For anyone who is new, I do have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. Check that out if you're interested in seeing what helped me get my first few sales online. However, if you're looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step guide that will pretty much fast-track you to print-on-demand success. That's also linked down in the description. Okay, I'm going to start off the video by talking about the one thing I think most of you guys are probably interested in when it comes to account suspensions, and that's what to do if your account has been suspended. Now, I have been in this situation in the past. Luckily enough, I was able to get my account back, which I'll talk about a little bit further on in the video. But before we get into that, what you need to do is to check your emails. One thing that I noticed with Redbubble is that for the most part, they'll either send you an email saying that they've taken down some designs before they actually suspend your account. So before you actually try to contact them to get your account back, it's also very important to check your emails to make sure that you haven't had anything taken down beforehand. I understand that a lot of people that watch my videos that live in countries within Asia or Africa may face the problem of creating accounts and having their accounts taken down straight away without even putting any designs on them. If you're one of those people and you're in that bracket, what you need to do in this instance is to create an account using a VPN. If you don't know what a VPN is, I would suggest you just go on Google, you search up some VPNs and you try to create an account using a different location. And from talking to a lot of different people that live in Asia, that live in Africa, I've noticed that's what a lot of people seem to do to kind of get around that. Now back to the main point. If you've checked your emails and you've now noticed there's no emails, they've not tried to get in contact with you and they've just taken down your account, or you might even have a design that you created yourself and for some reason they've thought that it was a design from somewhere else and they've suspended you for that. If you come across either of those issues, the next step is then to get in contact with them. Now if you want to get in contact with them, you need to come on Redbubble, and when you're on Redbubble you want to scroll to the bottom of the page till you can see this section that I'm currently on. Once you're here, you want to click on the little button that says contact us. When you click that, you'll see this page. On this page, you want to click contact support now. Once you do that, you will see these options. You don't want to click on the buying, you don't want to click on the selling, you want to click where it says submit a request. It will ask you whether your request is to do with any of these things that are here. Now, for the most part, if your account has been suspended, the thing that you want to click is this part that says I am an artist and I have a question. You can click on inactive account, but what seems to work better is going on other and then actually typing out what the problem is. Now at this point, you would add your email address that's linked to your Redbubble account, your username that's linked to your Redbubble account, the subject. So the subject could be anything along the lines of account suspended incorrectly, with a description that explains why you feel your account shouldn't have been suspended in the first place. Now, if you have certain art that you've created yourself or you have the rights to use, if you have any documents that prove that any designs you've created are yours, or you can prove to them in any way that your designs are yours that have been wrongfully taken down, you'd actually attach the files on this point here where it says attach photo. And at this point, you just want to give them as much information as possible to prove to them that you are not in the wrong. Now, once you do that, you click submit. Usually you get an email straight away saying that they've received your request, and it can take them anywhere from 24 hours to actually respond to that request. Now, once you do this, it's not finished at that point, mainly because from what I noticed in the past, it would take them a while to actually respond to these. So I would say if you're not getting a response, you want to be sending at least 3 of these with at least a 4 to 5 day wait between each one, which I know sounds long, but it is worth it in the end if you do end up getting your account back, especially if you put a lot of work into it. It also helped to try to get in contact with the Redbubble help account on Twitter. I'll have that link down in the description. Usually when you send them a DM, they usually respond within 12 hours of the DMs you send them, and it's just another method that helps you to get through to Redbubble a little bit quicker, so you can try that if you're struggling to get your account back. And I'm not going to say these methods 100% work, but these methods increase your chances of actually getting your account back. Now from my experience, I had an account in the past where I was just putting simple text related designs, and I was pretty much posting scalable designs on that account. I think I must have had that account for about 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden it got taken down. I didn't receive any email of any designs that were taken down or anything like that. I got in contact with Redbubble and it took me roughly 2 weeks to get the account back. Now the methods that I've talked about were the steps that I took to actually get the account back. So if you're someone that's had your account taken down and you haven't tried these steps, definitely try it, because if you're not in the wrong, if you haven't been posting copyrighted designs or anything like that, you should be able to get your account back. Now jumping into how you can actually avoid account suspension. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're using trademark checkers on your keywords, on your designs before you put them up. If you want more information on how to do this, different sites that cover this, I'll link some videos down in the description that you can check out. That'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to do that. It's very important that you're not posting trademark designs or things that are copyrighted, mainly because that will literally put you on the fast track to account suspensions, and trust me, you don't want that. When I talk about trademark and copyright, it's companies such as Disney. Those companies will take your designs down faster than you can say I need sales. So don't even bother trying to create designs for those companies and for other companies that you might not be sure of. And if you are putting designs up and you're not sure if they fall into this category, all you need to do is find a trademark checker and check your keywords to make sure that they don't fall under trademark or anything like that. For anyone who doesn't know, when you put designs onto Redbubble, the Redbubble system checks to see if your designs fall under trademark or copyright by searching through your tags and your titles. So you always want to double check that those things do not feature keywords that could fall under a trademark design. Now another thing you don't want to do to avoid account suspension is to copy people's designs. If you take someone's design and you post an identical version of that design on Redbubble, eventually it will catch up to you, and if Redbubble keep getting complaints, your account will be taken down. So do not steal other people's designs. You can check to see what's trending, you can get ideas, you can get inspiration, but create your own type of design. And finally, Redbubble has some rules and regulations put into place when it comes to upload limits. I think their current upload limit at the moment is 60 uploads a day. Now personally, I don't allow myself to get anywhere near that. I try to stay below 50 uploads a day, as the last time I checked it was 60 uploads a day. And if you happen to have more than one account on Redbubble and Redbubble understands that both accounts are linked to you, you want to make sure that you stay within that upload limit still. So if the upload limit is 60, the max for one account will be 30, the max for the other will be 30. So you want to make sure that you're staying within the limits, otherwise that will once again put you on a fast track to account suspension. I hope in this video I've shed some light onto account suspension as to what to do if your account does ever get taken down and how to avoid your account getting taken down, because I know a lot of people that are new to Redbubble don't actually know that your account can get taken down. So guys, be careful with what you post. Make sure that you're using trademark checkers to double check your keywords, because you don't want to put a lot of work into an account that could end up getting taken down. I just want to thank you guys for the support on the videos recently. My last video, the last time I checked, was on 234 likes. So thank you very much for destroying the like button. Once again, if you got any sort of value from this video, if you can drop a like rating, that would be very much appreciated. It will show me that you guys want to see more content coming. If you've made it to this point in the video, down in the comment section, comment down, I'll protect my account, because now you've got all the tools to stay safe. I don't want to hear that you guys are losing your accounts, because you now know what to do. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.